Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to unbox and set up Mac Mini. So here you can see I have brought this Mac Mini of 8 GB RAM and 256 SSD, which is cost around 64,500. So in this box we will get the Mac Mini, some sticker and one power cable and nothing much. Let's keep it aside. Build quality of this cable is nice. Now let's see the output. You can see this is the output. Now let's set up. So first we need to choose the language. Then we need to choose the country or region. So I am from India, so I have to select India. Then continue, then not this one you can select not now. Then you can give your Wi-Fi name. You can select the Wi-Fi and give the password. Not now. Here you need to create your Apple ID. After creating the Apple ID, you'll get a OTP in your mobile phone. Give it that and agree. It will take some time. Guys, sorry for the video quality. Here you need to provide the password, and the password should not match to your name or your Mac ID password. So otherwise you will get an error. See, I have typed in the wrong password, that's why it's saying the warning. Then I need to again give the another password, and you can give your hint also. Then click on next. Then click on setup letter, continue. 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 You can enable your location service, but I didn't select it. Then you can go for the analytics. You can send the analytics data to Apple. So I am not selecting it. No, I am selecting it, so that's fine. Continue. iCloud Analytics. Continue. Enable Siri. So we'll get two voice, one is female and another is male. So I like the voice one, so select it. Then not now. Then you can choose the theme of the Apple. So I choose auto because in night it automatically do the background black. Then last continue. Now you can see the final output. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel.